Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gift card on Afterpay. So let's get into the video. So open up Afterpay and log into your Afterpay account. So if you have an account login, you can either use the browser or the app, doesn't matter. So once you're on Afterpay, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply search for the store or the brand where you want to get the gift card from. So what type of gift card you want. So for example, if you go to the stores here, it's like for example any store here, or if you browse around your Afterpay, you'll see a lot of stores here. So if you want the gift card from a specific store or anything, so simply what you can do, just select the store where you want the gift card for example here, if I select mail, so this will take you to the store page here. So you can purchase a gift card here through Afterpay. So you can go to the website, and then once you get to the payment option here, then you since the store supports Afterpay, so when you go to checkout, and then at the checkout you can simply select Afterpay as the payment method, and then you'll be able to purchase the gift card through Afterpay. So all you have to do is simply access the stores through your Afterpay here. So search the store and search for the gift card you want, and then access the store through this website on Afterpay or through the Afterpay app. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.